Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about getting started in network marketing with Richard Murphy. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Getting started in network marketing with Richard Murphy. It's easy to get started in network marketing with Richard Murphy. He has successfully built a network marketing empire and taught others how to do the same. What does he teach? What is selling? Network marketing basics are extremely important if you want to get started in network marketing. This is a business based on word of mouth that relies upon heavily on referrals, so to truly succeed in network marketing, you must understand what you are doing. The first step in learning how to get started in network marketing is to understand that you need to target specific people. If you want to get started in network marketing, you will need to know how to target the right person for you. You have to learn how to get inside their heads and see how they think, and why they believe what they believe. Most network marketing beginners go directly to network marketing mentors who know exactly what they are doing. They are giving you their advice on how to get started in network marketing because they want to make money, right? The mentors are building their businesses with a simple philosophy: money before your opinion, the customer before the customer, and the number one, make money first. What they are doing is looking out for themselves and not for you. When you get started, you are going to face some very difficult decisions. You will face tough decisions about starting a company or taking on more work. If you don't have a product to sell or any ideas of your own, you may need to start a small business opportunity. The real question is whether you are willing to put in the hard work it takes to succeed in network marketing. What is it you are hoping to achieve with the work? With big companies, it isn't easy to make money and keep it. The success you may expect is a long process. It's not something that can be done overnight. Getting started in network marketing basics is the first step in getting out of debt. You can make money in network marketing by using your knowledge of how the marketing industry works. But that's not enough. You need to find an easier way to make money, and that's where this video comes in. I have created training material that can teach you everything you need to know about network marketing and how to get started in network marketing. This is a system that focuses on direct sales methods. And you will only need to follow a couple of rules for a few months. The rest of the system is about making your business successful. This system includes my secret steps to making money with network marketing. Learn to make money quickly and easily. The secret I share in this training course is the quickest and easiest network marketing principles you can learn. The system I am sharing is an education system that is about direct sales. You will learn the most popular methods in network marketing, and you will not be doing hard work. There is no more need to search for products or take calls, just learn the steps. Learning how to get started in network marketing is important. You need to know how to find the right people for you. There are many ways to do this, but when you stop thinking about them, you will find that it becomes much easier to find the right people for you. Top tips for getting started in network marketing. Getting started in network marketing is an extremely rewarding experience. Network marketing involves much more than selling a product, offering a service, or even creating a new product for sale. It's a lifestyle. In this video, I'm going to share with you some of the top tips for getting started in network marketing. You have to be careful if you are about to get started with a new venture. There are always people who would rather try to steal your ideas and pass them off as their own. Always be careful. Most people today don't want to try out network marketing because they don't know what to expect. Some people make the mistake of thinking that all network marketers are the same. I will say that most network marketers are not the same, but everyone has their own unique way of doing things. The best way to learn about network marketing fundamentals is by reading books and attending seminars. By learning the ins and outs of network marketing, you can know what to expect from it and build your credibility into it. It can also make you a better marketer because you'll have a better understanding of marketing and get the general idea of how the whole process works. It's really important to understand the concept of network marketing. When you start out, you might be the only person running it, but soon enough there will be plenty of people running it. This is called the network effect. It's funny how some people run into situations where they think they are being taken advantage of. When you are starting out in network marketing, it's easy to be taken advantage of. However, you have to remember that when you first start out, you'll be the only one running it. Soon enough, as you start building your business and get more involved in it, you'll start to find that a lot of people are willing to help you out. When you're getting started in network marketing, you'll need to have a list of contacts. This is important. A good way to get a list of contacts is by asking other network marketers for referrals. Once you have a list of contacts, you can get to know them better and make more deals with them. When you're starting out in network marketing, you have to do it the right way. If you try to do everything the wrong way, it will ruin your reputation. You don't want to be known as a scammer or a guy who never made it in business. So if you do something wrong, you have to make sure you do it right. Learn the basics and do it right. So, what are the top tips for getting started in network marketing? These tips can help you gain a good reputation with your current customers. You want to make sure that you give them value for money and that you are a dependable company. Getting started in network marketing isn't as difficult as it seems. Many people miss this and end up getting overwhelmed and then end up leaving. Don't make this mistake and instead use these tips for getting started in network marketing to take you in the right direction. The tips for getting started in network marketing were written by me. I wrote them based on my experiences with network marketing and some advice that I've received. Hopefully, they will be useful to you. Tips for getting started in network marketing with Richard Murphy. If you are new to network marketing, getting started in network marketing is a must. After all, marketing is one of the biggest things you can get involved with. There are many people that still haven't started and will tell you how great network marketing is without even having joined the industry. For a lot of people, this is the best decision they have ever made. When you take a look at the big picture, it's easy to see that this industry is huge. It is one of the most popular industries in the world and it continues to grow each year. The fact that there are so many companies and opportunities out there shows that it's worth it. It could be that you are just getting started or that you have been with it for years. Whatever the case, here are some tips for getting started in network marketing with Richard Murphy. It will help you move forward with your network marketing business and give you a good foundation for success. So network marketing is about relationships. Be the best that you can be at marketing with other people. Networking with people that you want to do business with is what will help you find more opportunities. One of the biggest mistakes that a lot of network marketing entrepreneurs make is that they are not networking enough. The more connections you make, the more money you will make. People always recommend networking to get more business. It really is true. Networking with others is a skill that you can learn. Over time it will become second nature to you. You'll come across more people that will be interested in network marketing and it will become an easier task. Getting started in network marketing with Richard Murphy takes time. You need to realize that there are going to be months when you aren't making any money and you might have to try something else. You need to realize that there is a lot to do and it will take some work. In the beginning, you have to put your time and effort into learning. When you are learning the trade, it is also essential that you have a proper diet. It won't hurt to have a proper diet that will help you to get fit and healthy. When you are getting started in network marketing with Richard Murphy, there are some important things that you should know. That's why there are tips for getting started in network marketing with Richard Murphy. For more information about getting started in network marketing with Richard Murphy, head over to my website and sign up for my weekly newsletter. The link is in the description box, and get your copy of my free PDF for free traffic to your website. Thanks for watching my video about getting started in network marketing with Richard Murphy. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.